In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page on your Squarespace site. Whether you're looking to keep a consistent style across your site or just need to create a test page, knowing how to duplicate pages can really streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into it and get your page duplicated with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to your homepage. This is where everything begins and sets the stage for managing your website's content. It might be helpful to bookmark this page for easy access in the future, especially if you'll be making frequent updates to your site. Once you're on your homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This step is crucial as it helps you access the backend where all the magic happens. Clicking on the Edit Site button transforms your view from merely a spectator to an editor, giving you the capability to modify your site layout and content as needed. With the editing mode enabled, the next step is to direct your attention to the Pages option, often located in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will open up a comprehensive list of all pages currently hosted on your site. The Pages section is your central hub for navigating between different parts of your website and clearly showcases your site's structure. Once inside the Pages menu, pinpoint the specific page you're interested in duplicating. Hover over the page and keep an eye out for the small settings icon, usually appearing as a gear or a similar symbol. Clicking this icon provides additional options and settings specific to the selected page. In the settings menu, you'll find the one we're after, Duplicate Page. Selecting this option creates an exact copy of your chosen page, preserving its structure and content as a template for further use. This is especially beneficial if you want to maintain a uniform look or replicate a successful page for a new section. Finally, to confirm and finalize the duplication, simply click on Confirm. This affirmation step ensures that nothing happens by accident and gives you one last checkpoint to verify your intent. After confirming, the duplicated page will appear in your pages list, ready to be edited and customized to meet your needs. Remember, each new page opens opportunities for creating engaging content or maintaining your site's design consistency. And there you have it, you've successfully duplicated a page on your Squarespace site. This straightforward process not only saves time, but also guarantees that the professional look you've crafted can extend across different sections of your site with minimal effort. Happy editing, and make sure to explore these duplicated pages to fully harness the flexibility of your Squarespace platform.